Hey there, Comp 2. Well, we had a few days of sunshine this week, at least down here in the Columbus area. I'm guessing that you had some of the same in Northwest Ohio. We get similar weather. And now we have lots of rain and gray, but maybe that's good paper writing weather, right? When the temptation to just be in the yard is gone. And I know that as the spring rolls on, it's harder and harder to stay focused. I don't care what age student you are, because let's face it, even teachers struggle with that focus. So we're going to try to stay focused to the end, and we are so close. Let's see what we're doing this week. We are looking at week 13, and that's not bad news for us, even though it's the number 13. In fact, this is our research week, and so it's very light in assignments. What we're looking at here is that all you're going to do is analyze, do a exercise on 53.1, page 428 in the Aaron text. And as I'm reading that, I'm wondering, I believe that that's probably going to have to be updated because we did have some page number issues. So I will be checking in with you on that. It's an exercise on plagiarism. If you're ahead of me and want to figure out what the exercise is, it's about plagiarism. And it's just a good reminder, I think, for all of us. I don't really believe that very many of my students ever intentionally plagiarize, but it does happen when we're feeling sloppy with research, when we are feeling rushed, when we're feeling desperate, and a lot of times it happens accidentally. And so just as a good refresher of what plagiarism is and what it's not, and how to fix it and how to avoid it. One thing I want to throw out, I'm always looking for different ways to organize research. That's where I always get hung up when I'm personally working on research, because I get all these resources and all these ideas all over the place, and it's just hard to bring it all together. And if you are working with a computer that has a Microsoft package on it, and I believe even if you have the free version OpenOffice, there's a program called OneNote. It's a little purple square. It has an N in it. It would be akin to using Google Docs, but I like it better. Here's what it does. It allows you to open a notebook online and save it on a SkyDrive, which if you're a Mac user, it's also compatible. It'd be like saving it on the cloud. Okay, so you can get it anywhere, and it would help you to organize your research. Anything that you email yourself into Outlook, if you use Outlook, it will dump over into OneNote. Anything that you save on a computer, you can insert, and then it will be on any computer you go into as long as you go into your account. The way you build an account is free. You just have to have a Messenger account or a Yahoo account, and a friend of mine just said she did it with an Outlook email address. So I use mine with Hotmail. I'm finding it really advantageous with a research project I'm working on. So I'm just throwing it out there. If you have tried the note card methods and the notebook methods and the printing and filing and it's making you crazy, consider trying this program, especially if you're pretty quick at learning technology. It's not real tough, but consider trying this program. It's really neat. It sets up tabs, and each of your tabs could be each of your points in your research, or you could even actually take notes right on these pages, and it just is handy and centralized. So just a thought. This is research week, and so if you need any help with your research, please don't hesitate. It's too late next week, but this week you're right on target for getting that research done. I'll be trying to get your proposals back to you in a quick fashion so that you can know and be sure that you're on the right track as well. If you need a more prompt response than what you're getting from me, always send me a personal email through the Sakai website, or through the learning management system, and I will be with you as soon as I can. Talk to you later. Have a good one.